Assalamu alaikum to you all. Welcome in the way of knowledge. This is the reasoning questions of biochemistry from intermediary metabolism, paper 3. Reasoning questions number 1. 1 gram of fat provides more energy than carbohydrates and protein in equivalent amount. Reason is that because one triglyceride molecule yields 3 fatty acid molecules in which 16 or more carbons present in each molecule of fatty acid. Number 2 is absence of ferrochelatase leads to protoporphyria because porphyrin will not convert into heme and excessive amount of porphyrin accumulates in bone marrow, plasma and erythrocyte causing disease protoporphyria. Third one is pyruvate dehydrogenase is regulated by covalent modification. Reason is that pyruvate dehydrogenase is regulated by covalent modification through the action of a specific kinase and phosphatase that are regulated by changes in NADH, acetyl-CoA, pyruvate and insulin. Number 4 is phenylalanine and tyrosine are glucogenic as well as ketogenic amino acid because they generate glucose and fatty acid ketone bodies on their breakdown. Number 5 is during starvation TCA cycle is inhibited. Reason is that because ETC electron transport chain cannot regenerate NADH plus H plus ion and FADH2 under the anaerobic condition. Number 6. Fat transport requires carnitine. Reason is that fat transport requires carnitine to transfer long-chain fatty acid in inner mitochondrial membrane, forming acyl carnitine for beta oxidation of fatty acid. Number 7 is ketone bodies are not utilized by liver as energy source because liver lacks the necessary enzyme beta-ketoacyl-CoA transferase. Number 8. TCA cycle and urea cycle are linked with each other because the prime precursor of urea bicarbonate ion is also formed from carbon dioxide which is generated by TCA cycle. The flux of acetyl-CoA through TCA cycle can indirectly affect the urea cycle by altering the level of N-acetyl glutamate. Number 9. Debranching enzyme is bifunctional enzyme because glycosyl transferase enzyme cleaves a fragment of glucose residue attached at a branch and transfer it to another chain. Here 1D14 bond is cleaved and same 1D14 bond is made, but places are different. Not the least, number 10 is electron transport chain and oxidative phosphorylation are carried out in cells simultaneously. Reason is that electron transport chain and oxidative phosphorylation are carried out in cells simultaneously by proton gradient across the inner mitochondrial membrane. The efflux of protons from mitochondrial matrix create an electrochemical gradient. Thanks a lot for watching. Till then, Allah Hafiz.